yeah, $10. And I hope that I will reach perhaps $1,000. So as usual, we are using binary strategy to trade binary option on IQ option. This on this channel, I only share with you a binary strategy, a strategy that you can use to trade binary option only. We don't trade forex with binary strategy. If you want to trade forex, please don't purchase our course. In the course, there's only a strategy about binary option. So in the course, yes. So first win. So in the course, there's only one strategy, the binary strategy. And also we teach you the basics of the binary option. So if you are a new trader or a beginner, you can just learn the basics of binary option trading from the course. You can find the course in the description of this video. There is a link to our official website, the only place where you can purchase binary strategy. Just go there, binary.com, purchase the course, learn basics of binary option, and then learn the binary strategy. In the course, we teach you everything about the binary strategy. You can learn it, practice on demo account, practice, give yourself time, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months. Just give yourself time to make wins just like this one. Yeah, give yourself time, and with time, I'm 100% that you will. Yeah, you can make a great career in trading binary option. Binary strategy can't be used on forex. Please remember it. Please understand. You can't use binary strategy on forex. You can only use it on binary option trading 1 minute, or also you can use it on digital. For example, in this case, I'm trading on digital. You can do the same, trade on digital. It would be great, but I don't advise you to do that. I advise you just to stick with binary option. Binary option is great. Yeah, see, simple as that. You will follow the rules. We will explain everything about the indicators used on the binary strategy. Also, we will teach you, and we will explain to you a good money management system that will let you recover your losses and avoid losing too much. So this is our strategy. In this strategy, you will be able to predict the movement of the next candle, and if there is some doubt about the next candle, about the movement of the market, you will be able to avoid it and not risk your balance or risk your trades. Just avoid your trades. And I hope that all subscribers here, or everybody that are trading binary option, can learn the strategy, and yeah, become a good binary option trader. Yeah, so if you are trusting your strategy, you know exactly that this one is a win. So it was clear, it was simple. This candle, it was perfect. But in some cases, you need to avoid emotions. In some cases, the market will trick you in thinking that you are losing, but at the same time you're winning. But you don't understand. You will use emotions, and you will sell and lose everything. This is why I advise you. USD today was bad, but this one is looking good. This one is looking good. So don't use emotions on trading binary option. So I'll stop the video. I will stop the vocals, and I will keep trading on the video. Just watch the full video. I will stop the video once we reach $1,000, but I will stop the vocals right now. Sorry, I will stop it right now.